Hey guys, I just want to tell you what Dr. Forman has done for my health. I've been coming to him for about 1 year now. Before I met him, my testosterone was low. I had low testosterone. I had double hernia surgery, and my energy levels were just to the ground. I was doing testosterone therapy as well. It was costing a lot of money, and when I met with him, he told me that, that's just a band-aid, that we have to go and see what's going on with the root of the problem. So I took his advice with faith, and I've been doing this for a year with him, the nutrition response therapy. And I feel like I'm 25 years old again, and I'm 42 right now, and I could hang out with the 20-year-olds in the gym right now. So I thank him as well with my double hernia surgery. I tried yoga, stretching for about a year before I met with him, and then he started doing his therapy, and within 3 months, like 80% of the pain went away. So I thank you, Dr. Forman, and we'll keep going.